application that can be used to create assignments for online and in-person courses. I use Padlet for icebreaker introduction assignments. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Padlet. Sign up for a free Padlet account, and you can always upgrade the account later. Click Sign up for free. I will log into my account. Click the gear icon to adjust the settings. Basic info includes your name, email, username. You can also customize the avatar by clicking the profile picture. Click Password to change the password. You can also adjust communication, and you can upgrade the account to a gold or platinum plan. They range from a maximum of 20 Padlets to an unlimited number of Padlets. They also range from a 100 megabyte file upload limit to a 500 megabyte file upload limit, and from $6.99 per month to $9.99 per month. The Neon Free plan allows users to create a maximum of 3 Padlets. I usually reuse the same Padlet for the same class every semester. I delete the previous student's posts and the link remains the same. The Referrals tab provides a referral link to invite people to join Padlet. Go back to the main page to create a Padlet. Click Make Padlet. Select a layout. I will select the timeline layout. Now I will modify the Padlet. Choose a title. For example, History 101 Icebreaker Activity. So the title can represent your course. Description, they included a description for me. I want to type my own description. Please sign up for a Padlet account and answer the questions that are provided on Blackboard. So this is the description of the activity. I usually include all of the icebreaker activity information on Blackboard or Canvas, whichever learning management system I'm using. So this is the information for the activity. You can see that I provide students with directions. Step 1, sign up for a free Padlet account using the link below. I provide a link for the actual Padlet assignment, the icebreaker activity. I provide directions for adding a post. Click the plus sign on the bottom right corner of the screen. Answer the questions below. Initial response criteria. Introduce yourself. What is your major? What are your hobbies? And you can include other questions that pertain to your course. I have a due date and reply post criteria. Respond to 2 posts. What do you think about your classmates' answers to the questions? And you can add one additional question or many more questions that students have to answer. I also include a due date and then a note. This activity is hosted outside of Blackboard, which may make some of your information, like your name, viewable to people outside the course. Please contact me if you would like to participate in an alternate activity. So now I'm going back to Padlet. So I included the title, description. The next thing that I would like to do is choose an icon. Icon can represent your course. If you teach a nutrition course, you can choose the food item. or you don't have to include an icon at all. This is the link for the Padlet. I include this link on Blackboard so students can access the activity. You can also change the background. Click the arrow to the right of wallpaper. And you can see solid colors, gradients. So these are all the gradients, textures and patterns, pictures. So these are the different pictures that they've provided. And then you can add your own wallpaper, such as an image from your computer, maybe your favorite travel destination. Color scheme. So click color scheme to switch to a dark or a light theme, which turns the text black against pastel themed posts or white against darker posts. You can also change the font. So these are the different fonts, at least 4 different fonts. I like to enable attribution so it's easier to grade the assignment because the author's name is displayed above each post. I also enable comments so the students can reply to their classmates' posts. I do not enable reactions, but if you choose to enable reactions, students can like posts, they can upvote or downvote posts, they can give the post 1 to 5 stars, and they can also grade the post. Content filtering. I disable require approval because I don't want to approve every single post. I just want students to be able to post. And I also either enable or disable filter profanity. If you enable filter profanity, the profanity is replaced by emojis. So now I'm going to go back, discard the changes, and go back to the main Padlet. Click Remake to make a copy of the Padlet. You can change the title, description, you can copy the design, copy the posts. Click Share to obtain a link for the Padlet. You can provide that to the students. Once students have signed up for a free Padlet account, they must click the link that you provide to access the Padlet Icebreaker activity. To create posts, students must click the plus sign within the circle in the lower right corner of the screen. They can include a subject, and then they can copy all of their answers to those questions and paste them here. They can upload a document, take a photo, include a link, search for an image. They can also click More to add other features such as a YouTube video. They can include a video that they've recorded. Once they are done posting the information, they must click Publish. And then their post is published on the Padlet. I enjoy using Padlet because it's a great interactive tool that can be used for assignments. It can be used for icebreaker assignments, assignments that you provide the students throughout the semester, but it's just fun, interactive, and it's different than other applications.